Hi everyone, welcome to my weather vlog. My name is Eliza. And today we are starting a 3-day adventure to watch and learn about the weather. Let's see what the sky has in store for us today. Today in Imus, Cavite, it's mostly cloudy with a high temperature around 33 degrees Celsius. The sky is filled with clouds, making it look white. The air feels warm and there's a slight breeze. It's mostly cloudy and warm. It's a great day to play indoor with fans or read or watch TV. It's a sunny day today. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is very hot today. The sun is extremely hot. It's 34 degrees Celsius. Ang araw ay nagbigay bitamina D sa katawan natin na importante sa buto. Alam niyo ba ang init ng araw nang nagdudulot ng heat stroke sa matatanda? That's it for today's weather vlog. We see visible clouds shaped like cotton balls. Let's see if tomorrow if the clouds changes. Hello guys, welcome back to my weather vlog. Let's see what the sky looks like. Today is day 2. Let's have a weather adventure. Today in Malagasang, I feel the warm air and it feels breezy. And I see the clear blue sky and then I see the full clouds. And then the temperature is 33 degrees Celsius. When I look up, I see the fluffy cotton balls. I see the clear blue sky, which is really pretty. Today is a little windy. There are some clouds in the sky today. There are strong wind is blowing. The sun is shining extremely brightly. When I look up in the sky, I see the clear blue sky. And I see the fluffy cotton balls, which is tell the weather is sunny. It's mostly cloudy. It's a great day to drink cold water and do some arts. And you can play inside your house and watch TV. Araw nagbibigay kasayahan sa mga tao na nagpapabuti sa isipan. Ang sinag ng araw ay maaring magdulot ng pagkasira ng mga mata, lalo pag wala proteksyon sa mata. So that's it for today's weather vlog. We see the fluffy cotton balls and we see the blue sky. And then you make sure to stay in your house, indoor, and then you need to drink water and stay hydrated, guys. Bye! Hello everyone! Welcome to my weather vlog! And today is day 3. Let's see what the weather is today. Today in Malagasang, it's a cloudy and sunny with a high temperature around 34 degrees Celsius. Looking up, I see the cumulus clouds shaped like cotton balls, and they are white. It's sunny today. A very bright day today. A clear sky. The sun is shining. The sky is cloudless. It's a brilliant day today. Ngayon ay maaraw at may 34 degrees Celsius. Ang araw ay nagbigay ng init at liwanag na kailangan ng halaman upang lumaki. Ang labis na araw ay maaring magdulot ng sunburn at iba pang problema sa balat. That's it for today, guys. This is our third day of our vlog. This is the last day. It's been a sunny 3 day with clouds. It's beautiful day. Outside the sun is shining, making me feel happy and warm. Thank you, teacher, for watching my vlog, teacher. Bye, teacher.